Hi everyone! This week EasyFlow asked us to create a design inspired by one of the world wonders. I was most inspired by Chichen Itza. Before starting my nails, I sketched out a design to include all things Mayan. Using neutral from the EasyFlow Cover Acrylic collection, extend the nail bed. If you need to sharpen up your smile line, you can do so with a file before applying the next color. Using Forbidden Forest, push a bead of product up against the smile line before extending the nail. Once you're happy with the base of the nail, cover with clear acrylic powder, pinch, and file. These steps will be repeated on the other nails as well. Next, designate Beaming Bouquet, Luminous Lilac, and Budding Beauty to 3 of the nails. Once you've extended the nail bed, combine the color for each nail with a bead of white to create a nice marble effect. If you need to break up the color a little more, just apply small wet beads and help them spread across the nail. For the middle finger, extend the entire nail using the neutral cover acrylic. Once you've finished filing and buffing the nails, use a pencil to outline your designs and then top coat. Using the same colors designated for the marble, build up stone elements. Drain your beads on a paper towel before placing on the nail to prevent the product from running too much. You can also add a drop of acetone to your monomer to help the product set faster. Once the product turns matte, you can cut designs into the stone using your brush or a spatula. To create the El Castillo pyramid, combine beads of white acrylic with all 3 colors we used from the Ethereal Blossom collection. Using neutral cover acrylic, build up the Mayan princess's nose and her headdress. And this is what the nails should look like before we begin hand painting. Using a liner brush and brown paint, trace a rough outline of the steps for your pyramid. To add dimension to the pyramid, add shading using watered down black or gray to the front of the steps on one side. And using brown again, color in the top portion of the stairs. Then to finish your design, use black gel paint to retrace the outlines and add doorways. For the Mayan calendar nails and the stone carved nails, use a detail brush and black gel paint to draw the faces. Then add outlines around the stone structures and use a flat dry brush to add shading. To create the Mayan princess, first use black gel paint to outline the eyes and mark the center of the lips. Fill in the eyes with white and then using brown, give the face structure by adding shading. It's best to keep the shading light at first so that if you need to make any corrections with the proportion of the face, you can do so when you darken the shadows. If you're unsure of where to place the shadows, it's helpful to have a reference picture or at least a mirror, and then you can see how the lighting hits your own face. Once you're done shading, use a darker brown to add the eyebrows and fill in the eyes. Add black to the center of the eyes and extend the part between the lips. And then darken the outline of the lips using brown again. Build up her headdress using Forbidden Forest, and then use Beaming Bouquet for her clothing. Then use the same 3 colors from the Ethereal Blossom collection to add gems to her headdress and sculpt 3D feathers. Attach the feathers using clear acrylic and add a little war paint and she's ready to go. And here's my final design. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget that voting starts Tuesday, February 19th. Thanks for watching!